Clothing names. Can you name this casual top? This is a t-shirt. This is a short-sleeved top that is great for everyday wear. What do we call these long clothes? These are pants. This is clothing that covers your legs and is perfect for all seasons. Have you seen these short pants? These are shorts. This is comfy clothing that's perfect for playing outside on warm days. What kind of outfit is this? This is a dress. This is a one-piece clothing item often worn for parties or events. Do you recognize this clothing item? This is a skirt. It hangs from the waist and comes in many fun colors and styles. What do you think this warm top is? This is a sweater. This is a soft garment that keeps you cozy when it's cold outside. What do you wear when it's cool? This is a jacket. This is outerwear that keeps you warm and is great for windy days. Can you tell what this thick outerwear is? This is a coat. This is clothing designed to keep you warm during cold winter months. What do you wear on your feet? These are socks. This is soft clothing that keeps your feet warm inside your shoes. Can you name this footwear? These are shoes. This is footwear that protects your feet and helps you walk or run. Do you know what this is for your head? This is a hat. This is headwear that protects you from the sun and can be stylish. What helps keep your hands warm? These are gloves. This is clothing that covers your hands completely to keep them warm. What do you wrap around your neck? This is a scarf. This is clothing that keeps your neck warm and can add style. What type of pants are these? These are jeans. This is strong clothing that is stylish and perfect for casual outings. What do you wear at bedtime? These are pajamas. This is soft clothing designed for sleeping comfortably at home. Can you name these warm shoes? These are boots. This is footwear that covers your ankles and is great for snow or rain. What do you wear when it's hot? These are sandals. This is open footwear that lets your feet breathe during summer. What type of hat is this? This is a cap. This is headwear with a visor that shades your eyes from the sun. What do you put on when it rains? This is a raincoat. This is clothing that keeps you dry with waterproof material for rain. What is this item called? This is a belt. This is a clothing accessory that holds up your pants and looks nice. Do you know what this sleeveless top is? This is a vest. This is clothing worn over shirts to add an extra layer without sleeves. What do we call these fun pants? These are overalls. This is clothing with straps that keep them up and are super cute. What do you wear for swimming? This is a swimsuit. This is specially made clothing for swimming in pools or the ocean. Can you guess what this nice top is? This is a blouse. This is often worn for dressy occasions and can be stylish and fun. What warm hat do you see here? This is a beanie. This is a snug hat that fits your head and keeps you warm in winter. What helps keep your fingers warm? These are mittens. This is clothing that covers your hands and keeps them warm in winter. Do you know what this special necktie is? This is a bow tie. This is worn for fancy occasions and adds a touch of elegance to your outfit. What do you wear to protect your feet at the beach? These are flip-flops. This is open footwear that's perfect for sandy beaches and sunny days. What is this cozy one-piece outfit? This is a onesie. This is a soft, all-in-one outfit often worn for sleeping or lounging. Do you know what this long top is? This is a hoodie. This is a sweater with a hood to keep your head warm. What do you wear when you go swimming? These are swim trunks. This is short clothing boys wear when they go to the pool or beach. What do you wear for special occasions? This is a suit. This is a formal outfit usually worn for important events. What do you wear when you play sports? This is a jersey. This is a lightweight shirt worn for sports like soccer or basketball. Did you enjoy learning about this clothing names? Explore more exciting videos on our channel and be sure to subscribe for lots more fun. Until next time, see ya!